Hello friends, today we will discuss some MCQs on Jharkhand GK. Question number 1 is who took oath as the Chief Minister of Jharkhand on November 28, 2024? A. Champai Soren, B. Hemant Soren, C. Kalpana Soren, D. Raghuvar Das. Answer is B. Hemant Soren. Hemant Soren, leader of Jharkhand Mukti Morcha JMM, resigned as Chief Minister and staked a claim to form a new government after India bloc's victory in 2024. Jharkhand Assembly elections securing 56 out of 81 seats, he was unanimously elected as the leader of the legislature party by India bloc JMM, Congress, RJD and CPI ML and took oath as Chief Minister on November 28, 24. What was the economic growth rate of Jharkhand for 2023-24 at constant prices as per Jharkhand Economic Survey 2024-25? A 6.6%, B 7.7%, C 8.5%, and D 10.7%. Answer is B 7.7%. The Jharkhand Economic Survey 24-25 tabled by Finance Minister Radhakrishna Kishore reported that Jharkhand registered an economic growth rate of 7.7% at constant prices and 10.7% at current prices for the financial year 2023-24. The state's GDP is projected to grow at 7.5% in 2025-26. Which village in Jharkhand became the first to be completely relocated from core area of Palamu Tiger Reserve? A. Jaigir, B. Betla, C. Latehar, D. Garhwa. Answer is A. Jaigir. Jaigir village was the first to be fully relocated from the core area of Palamu Tiger Reserve, that is known as PTR, in Jharkhand following years of efforts by forest officials. This relocation supports conservation efforts under Project Tiger by reducing human-wildlife conflict in reserves core area. 4. What is the primary objective of pension age reduction initiative announced by Jharkhand CM Hemant Soren? A. To increase pension amounts for all citizens. B. To lower the pension age for tribals and Dalits to 50. C. To provide pensions to unemployed youth. D. To extend pensions to all women above 18. Answer is B. To lower the pension age for tribals and Dalits to 50. Jharkhand CM Hemant Soren announced a reduction in the pension age for tribals and Dalits from 60 to 50, citing high mortality rates and unemployment in these communities. This initiative covers the elderly, widows above 18 and persons with disabilities, benefiting around 36 lakh individuals. Question number 5. Which ministry is responsible for the Palamu Tiger Reserve where Jaigir village was relocated? A. Ministry of Agriculture, B. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, C. Ministry of Tribal Affairs, D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Answer is B. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. The Palamu Tiger Reserve located in Jharkhand's Latehar and Garhwa districts operates under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, which oversees tiger conservation and efforts in India tiger reserves. 6. What is projected GDP growth rate for Jharkhand in the financial year 2025-26? A 6.5%, B 7%, C 7.5%, and D 8%. Answer is 7.5%. Option C. According to Jharkhand Economic Survey 24-25, the state's GDP is projected to grow at a rate of 7.5% in the financial year 2025-26, reflecting continued economic progress driven by sectors like mining, agriculture, and services. 7. Which political alliance won the Jharkhand Assembly election in 2024? A. NDA, National Democratic Alliance, B. India Bloc, C. BJP-led coalition, and D. Ajasu Party. Answer is B. India Bloc. The India Bloc comprising Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, Congress, Rashtriya Janata Dal, and CPI ML secured a majority by winning 56 out of 81 seats in Jharkhand Assembly elections in 2024, leading to Hemant Soren's reappointment as Chief Minister. 8. Which Jharkhand-based scheme was highlighted for providing pensions to 36 lakh individuals within 4 years? A. Jharkhand Mukhyamantri Krishi Yojana. B. Jharkhand Social Security Pension Scheme. C. Jharkhand Awas Yojana. D. Jharkhand Health Insurance Scheme. Answer is B. Jharkhand Social Security Pension Scheme. Under the Jharkhand Social Security Pension Scheme, CM Hemant Soren's government provided pension to 36 lakh individuals, mostly those above 60 within 4 years, a significant increase from 36 lakh beneficiaries in the previous 20 years. Question number 9. Which district does the Palamu Tiger Reserve cover in Jharkhand? Ranchi and Hazaribagh, Latehar and Garhwa. C. Dhanbad and Bokaro. D. Dumka and Devghar. Answer is B. Latehar and Garhwa. The Palamu Tiger Reserve, part of Project Tiger, spans 1014 square kilometers across the Latehar and Garhwa districts in western part of Jharkhand's Chota Nagpur plateau. 10. What is the significance of Jharkhand Assembly election results for 2024 in terms of seats won by India bloc? 45 out of 81 seats, 50 out of 81 seats, 56 out of 81 seats, 60 out of 81 seats. Answer is 56 out of 81 seats. The JMM-led India bloc achieved a landslide victory in 2024 Jharkhand Assembly elections, securing 56 out of 81 seats, which strengthened their mandate to form government under Hemant Soren's leadership. Question number 11. Which community in Jharkhand benefits from the lowered pension age under the new initiative? General category citizens, B. Tribal and Dalits, C. Urban youth, D. Government employees. Answer is B. Tribal and Dalits. 12. What is the total area of Palamu Tiger Reserve in Jharkhand? A. 800 square kilometers, B. 1014 square kilometers, C. 1200 square kilometers, D. 1500 square kilometers. Answer is 1014 square kilometers. The Palamu Tiger Reserve covers a total area of 1014 square kilometers with 414 square kilometers as the core area and 600 square kilometers as buffer zone, making it critical conservation area in Jharkhand. 13. Which of the following is a focus area of Jharkhand's economic growth as per 2024 economic survey? A. Space technology, B. Mining and services, C. Textile manufacturing, D. IT exports. Answer is B. Mining and services. Jharkhand's economy heavily relies on mining due to its rich mineral resources and services, which are key drivers of the state's 7.7% growth rate in 2023-24 as outlined in Jharkhand Economic Survey 2024-25. 14. Which Jharkhand-based initiative was launched to support conservation of Palamu Tiger Reserve? A. Project Elephant, B. Project Tiger, C. Project Rhino, and D. Project Leopard. Answer is B. Project Tiger. The Palamu Tiger Reserve is one of the first 9 reserves established under Project Tiger, launched in 1973 by the Government of India to conserve tiger populations in their habitats. 15. Who presented the Jharkhand Economic Survey 2024 in the Legislative Assembly? A. Hemant Soren, B. Radhakrishna Kishore, C. Kalpana Soren, D. Champai Soren. Answer is Radhakrishna Kishore. The Jharkhand Economic Survey 2024 was tabled in Legislative Assembly by Finance Minister Radhakrishna Kishore, highlighting the state's economic achievements and projection for future growth.